Welcome student. Today we study the pulse crops which are also asked for 4 marks, 2 marks tabular information in our question 4, that the first is the horse gram. It is known as a kulthi or hulga. Why it is known as a horse gram? Because during the earlier the broken grains of kulthi is used for feed of horses, so it can be also known as a horse gram. So the family is leguminous, botanical name is Dolichos biflorus, and origin is the Asia. Then we study in brief its cultural methods. It is grown on light soil to medium soils, but the soils are well drained and better in moisture holding capacity. Then the sowing time is it is grown mostly as a Kharif season in the month of June to July. Sowing method is also done. Sowing method is the drilling method. It can be also sown as or grown as a mixed crop. Then the seed rate 16th to 18th kilogram seeds per hectare. This question should be also asked for our tabular information or fill in the blanks. Then the spacing is 30 by 10 centimeter, row to row and plant to plant. Generally, this crop is not manured or it is not given particular manures, but when it is grown as a mixed crop, that time manure application which is given to the main crop, it ultimately received to the horse gram. But when it is grown as a pure crop, that time 3 to 5 tons FYM per hectare mixed with soil properly at the time of land preparation, and the recommended fertilizer dose is 25 kilogram phosphorus per hectare is given at the time of sowing. It helps to increase the yield of horse gram, pods and beans. Next one is the crop duration. It is matured within 120 to 135 days after sowing time. This should be also asked for our tabular information. And then the yield of this crop is, it is mostly when it is grown as a mixed crop, that time 1.5 to 2 quintals per hectare, and when it is grown as a pure or sole crop, that time 4 to 4.5 quintals per hectare yield is obtained. Then we study the second important pulse crop, kidney bean. It is also known as a matki, which is mostly or majorly used for our daily diet vegetations. So we initially study the different points which are asked for our tabular information or fill in the blanks. The family is the leguminous. The botanical name is the Phaseolus aconitifolius, and origin is the India. Then we study the in brief cultural methods. Cultural methods, it is grown light to medium soil, better in water holding capacity, and also provide sufficient organic matter into the soil. Next one is the way it is sown or grown during the Kharif season in the month of June, July, and in it also grown in summer season in the month of February to March, and sowing method is the drilling method. Seeds are drilled with the help of seed drill machine. Sometimes it is also grown as a mixed crop with other. So next one point we should study the seed rate. Seed rate is the 18 to 20 kilogram seeds per hectare, and spacing is 20 centimeter to 30 centimeter by 10 centimeter. That is the distance between row to row and plant to plant. It should be also written as 20 by 10 centimeter or 30 by 10 centimeter. Generally this crop is not manured, but if there is a light soils, that time organic matter should be applied into the soil sufficiently to hold the soil moistures during its growth period, and it also help better aeration into the soil. So 3 to 5 ton FYM per hectare mix with soil properly during the land preparation time, and 25 kilogram phosphorus per hectare is given at the time of sowing. It helps increase the yield of kidney bean crop. So next one is the crop duration. Crop duration is the 120 to 130 days after sowing time, and yield is near about 4 to 4.5 quintals seeds per hectare. This is the information of kidney bean and horse gram crop. So we should also ask varieties of this crop. So when varieties are asked in tabular information, that time local varieties, these words should be written. That will give you half mark for answer. So these two crops are mostly or frequently asked in our tabular information, so it is carefully listen and study. Then we study the important question, that is the also always ask for paper 1 and paper 2, importance of pulse crop in Indian farming. This question also asked for our question number 2 and question number 3 for short note. That time any 4 points can be written, that gives you 2 marks. So these points are also carefully listen and study. Number 1, the importance of pulses. Mainly pulse crops are grown in all types of soil and climatic condition. The pulse crop are also grown as a rain feed, so it has no required extra or excess rainwater or excess irrigation for its growth and for obtain the yield. So first point we should be also keep in our mind that the pulse crops are grown in all types of soil and climatic condition. Number 2, there is a mainly pulses are the rich source of proteins. Mainly pulses are the rich source of protein, so it provides more proteins and nutritional values. More proteins and nutritional values for our body. Next one is it is the important second constituent of Indian diet after the cereal. Next one is it can be grown and it can be grown successfully in all types of soil and climatic conditions. Then it gives or pulses gives ready cash to the farmer within a short time. So mainly pulses are belongs leguminous family. So it helps to increase the fixation rate of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, and atmospheric nitrogen fix on its root nodule. Next one is the mainly pulses are grown as a soil erosion or to check the soil erosion because of their spreading habit over the ground. So due to heavy rainwater, soil erosion not take place or it prevent the soil erosion. Next one is the it required very low irrigation, so it mostly grown as a rainfed on available soil moistures. These are the next one is the it makes the or pulses makes the organic matter mix or add the organic matter into the soil as a leaf portion, as a stalk of plant, as a roots, etc. Then it is supply additional fodder for cattle. That is the after threshing husk and straw is also used for the feed of cattle. That is the green gram, black gram, after that kidney bean and horse gram or soya bean. These are the husk of this crop is also used the feed of cattle. Next one is the some pulses are used as a green manures. Some pulses are used as a green manures before they attain their flowering stage. It burrowed into the soil by deep ploughing. So it is used as a green manure. For example, cowpea. Next one is the green gram. These are and soybean. These crops are also grown as a green manuring crop. Next one is the it provide raw material. Mainly pulse crop seeds are provide raw material or pulse crops are provide raw material to the dal industry for preparation of dal, roasted gram industry and papad industry, etc. Or there is a flour, preparation of flour, that is the gram flour is mostly used. So flour industry. So these are the importance of pulses. It also asks for our 2 marks in our exam. So these points should be carefully listen and study for paper 1 and paper 2. Same there is answer any 4 question any 4 points should be asked when it is asked as importance of pulses in Indian farming. So that time it should be written any 4 points, that is give 2 marks. So this question is very short and very important. Thank you, student.